students, today topic is inverse trigonometric function. A function f of x has inverse if and only if it is 1 to 1. However, if we restrict the domain suitably, we can make the function to be 1 1 in the restricted domain. This is set A, this is set B. F is a function from set A to set B. If x is an element of the set A, f of x is an element of x is an element of the set B. F of x is y. We call as y. F of x is y. For example, y is equal to x square is not 1 1 for all real numbers, but y is equal to x square is 1 1 and onto either for x is greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 0, or is less than or equal to 0. Hence, in this case, x is greater than or equal to 0, x is positive, or x is less than or equal to 0. Hence, y is equal to x square, x is greater than or equal to 0 has inverse. F inverse of x is root x. Y x square is y. Take root on both sides, root y is x or x is root x. Okay, or y is root x. Let us define the inverse of sine function. Consider the function f of x is equal to sine x. X vary from the closed interval minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. Then the sine x is 1 1 and on to in this restricted domain. Now sine x is an odd function. Note f inverse of y is equal to x if and only if f of x is equal to y. We can write f inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of x. This inverse of sine x is defined as sine inverse of y is equal to x if and only if sine x is equal to y. The inverse function sine inverse of x, cos inverse of x, tan inverse of x, cosecant inverse of x, secant inverse of x, cot inverse of x are called inverse circular function. Inverse circular function. Now, EX number 3.11. Find the principal value of sine inverse of root 2x. Sine inverse of 1 by 2. No, sine inverse of 1 by root 2. Let us take sine inverse of 1 by root 2 is equal to theta. Theta vary from, in this case, sine function vary from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Therefore, sine inverse of, let us take sine inverse of 1 by root 2 is equal to theta. This sine inverse, left hand side sine inverse goes to right hand side, we get sine theta. So 1 by root 2 is equal to sine theta. Sine theta is equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 in the sine column is sine pi by 4. Sine 45 degree. Therefore, taking sine inverse on both sides again, we get theta is equal to pi by 4. Hence, the principal value of sine inverse of 1 by root 2 is pi divided by 4. Next, cos inverse of root 3 divided by 2. Let us take cos inverse of root 3 by 2 is equal to theta. Root 3 by 2 is equal to cos theta. This cos inverse goes to right hand side. So, cos theta is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 divided by 2 in terms of cos column is cos of pi by 6. Taking again cos inverse on both sides, we get theta is equal to pi by 6. This theta is equal to pi by 6 is principal value. Hence, the principal value of cos inverse of root 3 divided by 2 is pi by 6. Cosecant inverse of minus 1. Let cosecant inverse of minus 1 is equal to theta. taking this left hand side cosecant inverse, right hand side we have cosecant theta is equal to minus 1. Cosecant theta is equal to minus 1 in terms of cosecant column, that is 1 by sine column, minus of cosecant pi by 2. Now cosecant of minus pi by 2 is minus cosecant pi by 2. Minus cosecant theta minus cosecant theta is equal to cosecant of minus theta. Okay, using this result we have positive cosecant of minus pi by 2. Cosecant of minus pi by 2, taking cosecant inverse of on both sides we have theta is equal to minus pi by 2. Hence the principal value of cosecant inverse of minus 1 is equal to minus pi by 2. Substitution number 4, secant inverse of minus root 2. Secant inverse of minus root 2. Let secant inverse of minus root 2 is equal to theta. This sine inverse, secant inverse goes to right hand side, minus root 2 is equal to secant of theta. Secant theta is equal to minus root 2. Is equal to minus secant root 2 in terms of secant column is pi by 4. So this can be written as a secant of pi minus pi divided by 4. Taking LCM we have 4 pi minus a pi is 3 pi by 4. Secant of 3 pi by 4. Taking secant inverse on both sides we get theta is equal to 3 pi divided by 4. Hence the principal value of secant inverse of minus root 2 is equal to 3 pi divided by 4 is tan inverse of root 3. Let tan inverse of root 3 is equal to theta. Root 3 is equal to tan theta. So tan theta is equal to root 3. Root 3 in terms of tan column is tan 60. Tan pi by 3. Taking again tan inverse of both sides we get theta is equal to pi by 3. So theta is equal to pi by 3. Pi by 3 is the principal value. Hence the principal value of tan inverse of root 3 is equal to pi by 3. Question number 2. A man standing directly opposite to one side of the road with the x meter. One side of the road with the his AB is x meter. Next the views a circular safe traffic green signal of a diameter. This is circular path. Green signal of a path is diameter. So DC or MA diameter. Let us take this is a circular path. The diameter is CD. The distance of the diameter length is A. A is given meter. On the other side of the road, this is road, other side of the BB then, and is the bottom of a green signal is B. Bottom A to D is B, and the horizontal level of view is I. The horizontal view of I. If alpha denotes the angle subtended by the diameter of the green signal at the views of the viewers I, then prove that. This is another part viewer. Angle is, this is green path, CD is green path, CBD is angle A, and ABD is angle B. This is green path and green signal path. This is occupied the viewer's path. By the given section, let one side road of a bill AB is x meter. Then next CD, the green path area is the green signal area is CD is equal to A, and Angle CBD is alpha. Angle CBD is alpha. DA, length is B. Angle DBA is equal to beta. Take this A, B, D triangle. Inner triangle ABD. ABD. Tan beta is equal to opposite side AD divided by adjacent side AB. Opposite side is length B, adjacent side length already take x, so B by x is equal to tan B. Tan B is equal to P by x, tan beta is equal to B by x, beta is equal to tan inverse of B by x. Number this as 1. Next take a very big triangle CBD. Inner triangle CBD, the triangle ABC, very big BC. This is right angle triangle. Tan of alpha plus beta is equal to opposite side AC divided by adjacent side AB. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side AD is two parts. One is AD, another one is DC or CD. So AD is small a, no, AD is small b, DC or CD is small a. So b plus a or a plus b, 4 divided by x. Now tan of alpha plus beta is equal to a plus b divided by x. Alpha plus beta is equal to tan inverse of a plus b divided by x. Tan inverse of a plus b divided by x. Now beta is equal to, no, alpha is equal to tan inverse of a plus b divided by x minus beta. Tan inverse of first divided by x minus beta. Beta is by the equation number 1 tan inverse of b by x. Hence proved. Today homework: find the principal value of number 1 cos inverse of 1 by 2. Number 2 sin inverse of root 3 by 2. Number 3 tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Number 4 cot inverse of 1. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you.